Amid the Omicron COVID-19 variant, Health Ministry has released new guidelines for international arrivals in India to be effective from December 1st. Accordingly, everyone must submit 14-day travel history and a negative RT-PCR test report on the Air Suvidha portal before the journey. For arrivals from at-risk nations, on arrival tests and 7-day home quarantine, if tested negative, are compulsory. The efficacy of COVID-19 vaccines against the new variant Omicron may be reduced due to the presence of over 30 mutations at the spike protein of the virus. All India Institute of Medical Sciences Chief Dr. Randeep Guleria has said, the virus variant has the potential of developing immuno-escape mechanisms. Dr. Guleria said, most vaccines work by developing antibodies against the spike protein, he added. Speaking on the passage of the Farm Laws Repeal Bill 2021 in the Parliament without any discussion, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi said it's unfortunate that the farm laws were repealed without any discussion. This government is scared of holding a discussion, Gandhi added. The bill was passed amid a ruckus by opposition in the upper house. Bharatiya Kisan Union leader Rakesh Tikayat has said that the central government should mend its ways and bring a law on minimum support price or MSP. January 26th, Republic Day, is not far away and 4 lakh tractors and farmers are all present, Tikayat added. The hooliganism that this government want to resort to is not going to work, he said. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma shared a special tune composed by the villagers of Kong Thong in Prime Minister Narendra Modi's honor, appreciating the centre's efforts in promoting the village as a prime tourism destination. Kong Thong is celebrated as the Whistling Village, where every person's name is identified using a distinct tune. Prime Minister Narendra Modi replied, grateful to Kong Thong for this kind gesture. The first test between India and New Zealand in Kanpur ended in a draw today. It's the first drawn test on Indian soil in 4 years. India and Sri Lanka had produced the last drawn test on Indian soil in December 2017. With the draw today, New Zealand has ended their 6-match losing streak on Indian soil in Test cricket. Actor Tom Holland's Spider-Man: No Way Home, the third installment in the Spider-Man franchise, will arrive a day early in India. The film, which was scheduled to open in theatres on December 17th, will now hit the screens on December 16th. The upcoming installments will release across the country in English, Hindi, Tamil and Telugu.